All right, so in the last example, we looked at two different data sets that were identical except for that last number, which was changed from 37 to 370. And when you look at the change, you can see the mean was hugely impacted. It went from 26.6 to 93.2. The median, on the other hand, was 25 before and 25 after. So changing the number 37 to 370 had no effect on the median, but it had a huge impact on the mean. So in statistical terms, we say the median is robust. A statistic is robust if it is resistant to skewness or outliers. As you saw in the last example, medians are robust, means are not. That is, if you have an outlier, it will affect the mean much more than it'll affect the median. So, for example, the average ages of people in different countries are really not as easy to measure as you might think. Older people, literate people, people in some third world countries tend to round their ages to a multiple of 5 or 10. The median is more resistant to such errors than the mean. All right, a couple examples. Suppose that in a small town of 50 people, one person earns $5 million per year and the other 49 earn $30,000. So, which would be a better measure of center typical value, the mean or median? Well, to compute the mean, you would take the 49 people who earn 30,000, you'd multiply those two numbers to get the total for those 49 people, add it to the 5 million, and then you can divide by the overall 50 people in that town. You'll see that the mean would be 129,400. The median, on the other hand, well, the halfway mark is definitely going to be 30,000. Over half the people earn that. In fact, 98% do. So the mean is going to be 30,000. And in this case, the median is pretty much the same value as 98% of the town. The 129,400,000 is over 4 times what the other 98% of people make. So in terms of what would be the better measure, that would be the median. The median is a better measure of the typical salary. It is equal to 98% of the town's population. And while this is a bit exaggerated, this is why, if you listen to the news, they'll talk about the median income or the median housing price of things, just because means are affected by outliers. Okay, one more. The distribution of individual incomes in the United States is strongest skewed to the right. As you know, there's a few people who make a lot of money and a lot of people who make pretty much average. They're pretty small. In 2004, the mean and median of the top 1%, so if you're just looking at the top 1% and looking at the mean and median of just those, we find 315,000 and 1,359,700. So which of these numbers is the mean and which is the median? Well, again, if it's strongly skewed, that's going to make the mean. That's going to affect the mean. And strongly skewed to the right means the mean is going to be pushed to the right or made larger. So incomes are highly skewed and the mean will be much higher than the median. In this case, the median is going to be to 315,000. The mean will be to 1,259,700.